Today we are creating this website, so you can see hover effects. As you can see here, this is a simple button and this is the footer. Welcome back guys, and happy Diwali to everyone. So today we are creating a medical or a doctor website UI design. So here is our design, and this is the inspiration. And ये inspiration मैंने dribble Behance और Pinterest से ली है और इसकी मदद से हमने ये डिज़ाइन बनाई है. So let's get started. Before we move ahead, I want to tell you about a website that will make your website design and develop journey super easier. Its name is uxmagic.ai Copilot. With this tool, you can make a website just by writing a single prompt. If you see any website design image on internet that you like, you can upload it here and create a similar design. Even if you made a rough sketch of your website on paper with a pen, this tool can turn that into a real website design. If you want to try it out, the link is given below in the description, and if you use my coupon code, you will get 10% off. You will also get a 10% discount if you go through my link. Press F for a frame. We can match the width and height हम जैसे जैसे कंटेंट ऐड करेंगे वैसे बनाएंगे. And right now height is 1080 and change frame name, home or index, and add rectangle. Press R for rectangle and change color. Now lock rectangle, then adding a grid. So here is layout grid, column 2 with 1500, margin 180, and change color red to black. Then we are adding a logo and logo text. Here is the logo and logo text. Now we are creating whenever menu options. So what we can do is just copy and then and creating a home. Press P for pen tool and 140 stroke 2 start and end round. Okay, so here it is, and select both element. Gap between two element is 10 pixel. Shift A to auto layout, and this is the page 1. Okay, component and add variant, 70% opacity, and width is 0 and opacity is 0. Okay, so here is the default element, and here is the hover element. We are changing the hover element color. Okay, now we are going to prototype and on click to while hovering, and here is the hover value. Change to hover smart animate custom spring, and here is the custom spring value. Now what we can do is design, copy element and add here, and we are showing by default hover because current page is home page, and shift R to ruler, and we are okay. And now we are change name. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी आर हमें ये देखना पड़ेगा कि ये हक कंटेंट में है कि नहीं. सो ये फील है तो यहाँ पर हक कंटेंट कर देंगे और यहाँ पर भी हक कंटेंट, देन सेम यहाँ पर भी. ओके, नाउ वी आर चेंजिंग a name. First of all, select all element and hover to default and change name. Okay, we are found the center. Now we are adding a search icon. Shift A to auto layout. Now we are trying to add center. Okay, and then next is button. Now we are creating a button. So press R for rectangle, and now we are matching height and width. So height is 170, sorry, width is 170 and height is 66. And we are changed to corner radius 18 pixel. Corner smoothing is 100%. Removing fill, add stroke, blue color, and inside text is also blue. Register. Okay, here is our button. Shift A to auto layout, and we are changing the name. Button. Now we are going to hover, sorry, component, and add variant. Variant 2, change hover, and here is the default. And the hover is uh, we are removing stroke. Fill color is blue, and inside text color is white. Okay, going to prototype. Go to prototype and change the value while hovering, and everything was done. Just copy button and add here. So now our navbar is ready, and now we are adding a title. So here is the value of title right side, and font size, font weight, and font line height. Then we are adding subtitle. Here is the subtitle value, and now we are creating a button. This is the another button. So what we can do is just match height and width. And 100% corner smoothing, blue text, appointment. Shift A to auto layout, btn 2. Okay, and go to component and add variant, and this blue is different. Okay, go to prototype while hovering. So our button is ready. Now we are creating another button is learn more. So just copy it and detach instance. Button 3, learn more, and add hug content. Hug content, here is also hug content. Okay, and now we are changing the value. Color, remove fill color, add stroke color. Color is, and stroke color is blue. Learn more, text color is also blue. And component, add variant, hover, and stroke, we are removing stroke. Add fill color. Fill color is blue, and text color is white. And go to prototype, add interaction while hovering. Now just copy and add it here. Okay, and now we are adding a main character. So here is our main character. And their height and width is, you can see here. Now we are create a background. Press R. White color, and top left and top right corner radius is around 300 sorry 100 pixel. No, I think, yeah, 200 pixel. And we are adding a little bit of drop shadow effect. So now what we can do is, yeah, here it is, add effect. And now we are change also bottom corner radius, top bottom and bottom right and bottom left 2020. Okay, and little bit of 2022 40 and add a corner smoothing 100%. And now we are adding some some PNG element. एंड ये सोर्स फाइल और फिग्मा फाइल की लिंक नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन में आपको मिल जाएगी, तो आप वहाँ से चीज़ें डाउनलोड करके प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हो. नाउ वी आर क्रिएटिंग दिस टू एलिमेंट 8+ years of experience and 24/7 emergency support. So for that, press R for rectangle. 170 by 60. Okay, 170 by 60, 4 pixel height and width. Add corner radius, corner smoothing, and color is pure white. Eight plus years of experience, so just we are type 8+, and here is the value of 8+ text. Now we are adding a text here. Okay, now shift A to auto layout, and we are changing a value between these two elements. And you can change also frame name, exp, just, and shift this two exp, and this two element shifted to auto layout. Okay, and now just drop it here. I think we are, नहीं, हमने इफेक्ट ऐड नहीं किया तो चलेगा, कोई नहीं. सेम SVG, just add SVG and remove this text, and content Okay. Now we are at this two feature option. So add SVG. Just select both element and shift it to auto layout. Just copy and drag it. This element to auto layout. So now our hero section is ready, and go to the present option, and okay, fill and fit width. Okay, so now you can see. Now we are creating our service section. So for that we can increase the height of the frame, then create this type of rectangle to 72, and height is 76. Okay, then add corner radius, 25 corner radius, and 100% corner smoothing. Then we are add color. So edit little bit of, okay, left right side, and now we are adding a SVG icon. Then text, and here is the text value. DM sans medium 28, and her line height is 14 pixel. Okay, then shift it to auto layout, shift it to center, her content. Now we are getting title. So here is our title, and first of all select this one, and just go to a color and change it. Okay, now adding some cards here. Just copy this card and edit. So press R for rectangle, match height and width, then match corner radius 30 pixel, and corner smoothing is 100%, and change color. Sorry. Okay, so here is the color, and change it. Okay, then edit here. Select the entire elements and a little bit of drag it left side, and then now okay, then create this type of SVG background. So 44 by 44 pixel, press R, lock, and 44 by 44 pixel. Now we are matching the corner radius, 10 pixel corner radius, corner smoothing 100%, and white color. Okay, now we are added to a drop shadow here, and this is the just only design. Here is the shadow value. So what we can do is add SVG here, and shift A, add a title and subtitle here. Sorry, subtitle here. Then add it into auto layout, or Shift A to auto layout, and hug content, add it into hug content, remove it, and this is our normal card, and now we are converting to hover effect card. Okay, change it now. Card 1, select card 1, go to component, add variant. Now hover this element, select SVG icon, and go to effect 44 and change color into blue, and opacity is around 12. Now it's good. Go to prototype, and while hovering, instant to smart animate, and इसमें कुछ और एक्स्ट्रा ऐड करना है तो गो टू ओके custom spring, drag a little bit of forward, backward, and 40. ठीक है. Now select element, copy, and just copy and drag it to right side. Now we are changing inside the element value. And add it into auto layout. Shift A, select these 3 elements and distribute the spacing, and now we are creating a button. So I have a button, so button, copy the button tool and drag and drop here. So हम ट्राई करेंगे कि जो हमने एलिमेंट्स बनाए हैं वही हम यहाँ पर यूज़ करें. Then get appointment and change it to more about. Okay, and select button, this 4 element and this 2, and distribute spacing between 40 pixel, and yep, 30 pixel is now it's looking good. And just add character here, and drag and drop it here, shift and अब हम क्या करेंगे, इसको कॉपी करेंगे एंटायर हीरो सेक्शन को, एंड कंट्रोल अल्ट जी करेंगे तो ये एक तरीके से ग्रुप बन जाएगा. देन क्योंकि अगर आगे ऐसे और भी सेक्शंस आएंगे तो उसमें क्या है कि इनके बीच की स्पेस हम इजीली एडजस्ट कर पाएंगे. फिर वाई चूजर्स उसके पहले हमें ये बैकग्राउंड बनाना पड़ेगा. तो बैकग्राउंड का हाइट 752 रखेंगे, विड्थ तो रह ही जाएगी. नाउ वी आर copy this element and drag and drop it here. Change background color is white, and copy, paste to replace. Our service is changed to why people trust us. Same. And now we are changing the background color. Then create this type of section. This section show company's achievement. We are matching the height and width. So 358 by 248. Press R. White color. Now matching corner radius. 30 pixel, and corner smoothing is 100%. And add this, we are adding this value. Okay, so here is the our 100k plus text value, and here is our happy patient value. Now what we can do is just copy the element, shift it to auto layout, and little bit of drag left side. Okay, and if you want to add auto layout in this section, sorry, this and this element, so you can. Now we are add hover effect, so just ACH1. Okay, and component, add variant, and just go to effect. We are increasing blur amount 30, yep, 44 pixel, and 12%, 8, okay, 8% was good. And I think we are adding a blue color. And just go to prototype, add connection. Now just replace it. Okay, edit here. We are creating another one. Shift A, auto layout. Now we are adding to auto layout. So now our another section is ready, and just maintain perfect space between these sections. Now we are adding, now we are create a testimonial section. So just हम ये एलिमेंट को रीयूज करेंगे. Drag and drop it here. Center, align center, and change inside elements like SVG's text and more. So copy SVG, replace it, paste to replace here, and center what patient says. Now we are adding a card background. सो पेशेंट ने क्या रिव्यू दिया है वो हम कार्ड बनाएंगे. तो उसकी हाइट, जैसे हमने ऊपर के कार्ड्स बनाए वैसे ही हम यहाँ पर बनाएंगे. मैच हाइट एंड वेट, प्रेस आर, corner radius 35 pixel, and change white color, add this content here. यहाँ पर आपको clearly नहीं दिखेगा, so drag into. Okay, so now we then if you want to create this, so press R, match height and width, and create a name, Mehul Shah. Mehul Shah, here is the name value, right side, and the profession text value. Shift A to auto layout and center. Now we are adding a review, so just create a star, 50, and Okay, and change color, change star color, and 42 4.5 star rating star 4.5, and we are reducing their opacity is 75, yeah, 70%, and 70% 70% was good. Go select to element, add into auto layout, select this rectangle, go to plugin, unsplash, and go to search, type, and select this rectangle, and add mule image here. Now select this element and add it into auto layout, and I request please watch carefully entire process. Now we are changing just value. Now we are adding a SVG, next and previous SVG arrow. We are flip, okay, flip it, and then select these two first element, and distribute space between these two elements is 20 pixel, and select and the arrow and add it to auto layout. So 44 पिक्सल स्पेस रखेंगे इन दिस थ्री बिटवीन, इन तीनों एलिमेंट के बीच में. देन अब हम बैकग्राउंड क्रिएट करेंगे फिर से, जो कि है FAQ के लिए. और यहाँ पर आप एक पैटर्न देख सकते हो कि हमने यहाँ पर सबसे पहले बैकग्राउंड लिया है, देन यहाँ पर किसी भी तरह का बैकग्राउंड यूज़ नहीं किया है, देन यहाँ पर बैकग्राउंड लिया है और यहाँ पर यूज़ नहीं किया है. तो ये एक डिज़ाइन का पार्ट है, एंड एक पैटर्न क्रिएट करता है यूज़र के माइंड में, और उन्हीं चीज़ों पर फोकस जाता है जो आप दिखाना चाहते हो. अब हम फिर से एक बैकग्राउंड लेंगे और इसकी इस बार हाइट होगी 1145. Okay, go change color, and just copy these two elements and drag it here, drag and drop it here, copy, and paste to replace FAQ, edit to center. Now we are creating a answer and question background. So press R, 1200 and 240, height white, and 28, corner smoothing. Then okay, remove stroke, हमें stroke की ज़रूरत नहीं है, and add a question, and it's open. So minimize icon, and okay, add answer here. Now we are adding some hover effect here. Okay, select this entire frame, go here, and just drag and drop here. Select this line and tilt it -45, Control C V to another, and here is another one. Okay, we are changing their color So this is the minimize and this is the maximize. Now just go to prototype and click to while hovering on 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 click वेरिएंट चेंज इंस्टेंट की जगह स्मार्ट एनिमेटर करेंगे एंड यप इट्स गुड. सेम ऊपर भी हम एक और बार कनेक्ट कर देंगे ताकि कोई मिनिमाइज पर क्लिक करे तो ये इस तरीके से जो इस पर क्लिक मैक्सिमाइज पर करे तो यहाँ पर चला जाए. कॉपी ड्रैग एंड ड्रॉप इट हियर. Hug fix content, Q1, go to component set and minimize to maximize, default to variant 2, minimize and max. Okay, go to hug content, remove answer and center it. Okay, now just copy, drag and drop here. हम देखेंगे कि सारी चीज़ें बराबर हुई है कि नहीं. Full fit width. Okay, so here is the hover effect. You can see click effect. यहाँ पर हमें होवर रखना था बट हम चेंज कर देंगे. एंड यहाँ पर हमने कुछ रखा नहीं है. सो और एक गलती है कि ये भी हम चेंज कर देंगे जल्दी. एंड ओके, सो हमने यहाँ पर प्रोटोटाइप में ऐड नहीं किया था. तो अगर हम मिनिमाइज करेंगे तो यहाँ पर आएंगे और यहाँ पर क्लिक करेंगे तो यहाँ पर आएंगे. एंड कोई यहाँ पर क्लिक करेगा तो यहाँ पर आएगा और यहाँ पर क्लिक करेगा तो यहाँ पर आएगा. Okay, so it's good. Drag and go to variant 2 and हमने यहाँ पर नाम लीजिए, नाम चेंज कर देते हैं. And default is default and this is the on click variant 2 या only ANS answer, sorry question. Okay, हो गया. And now we are changing to inside value. Select these 3 elements, shift at auto layout and shift at auto layout and shift at auto layout. Then hug content, 44 pixel and 120 pixel. Okay, तो ये सेक्शन हो गया हमारा तैयार. एंड हमें थोड़े से यहाँ पर हाइट इंक्रीज करने की ज़रूरत लग रही है. ओके, अब ठीक है. नाउ वी आर क्रिएटिंग अ सब्सक्राइब अस टू न्यूज़लेटर सेक्शन. सो हाइट एंड width is 600, 35 and corner smoothing subscribe to newsletter. .130 line width, 130 6 start and end round, add blue color, .776 by 88, corner smoothing 100%, background is white, and add text. Here is the text value on right side. It doesn't matter because it's a single line, so line height is doesn't matter. And now we need this one, sorry, copy and subscribe, select entire elements, edit center and shift A. Okay, and our subscribe us to newsletter is ready. Then we are creating a footer section, and change background color, add text, logo text, and logo and logo text. Then edit to subtitle here, slogan, whatever you want to add in this area you can. And this is a quick link, support and social media links here, so just edit and yep. And here is a quick link text value, DM sans bold 20 pixel, line height is 28, but line height doesn't matter, and fill color is pure black but 70% opacity. And that is quick links and pages text value. So select all page and shift it to auto layout, then quick link to auto layout. Okay, shift it to auto layout, and this element also. Now we are adding a address. So here is the address, support email, Gmail, and contact option. So first of all we are adding SVG icon, then add address in text format, shift it to auto layout, and copy, here is the line value right side. So our line width is 1500 pixel, line and height is 0, then there 1 pixel stroke weight, and their color is black but opacity is 8%, and shift to auto layout, we are adding an entire section auto layout. Okay, so then select each and every section, and just go to distribute vertical spacing. So it's good, and now our design is ready.